So it did not fit over the post. It appears that even though their post was 6 inches by 6 inches, that below it and above it, this thing was a little bit smaller. So I took them all apart, and we're going to nail each of them on individually, but I'm going to wait until it's up and then nail them on up in the air, because I'm afraid if I do it now I might injure them when I'm putting this post up. So I'll nail each piece on individually, and then we're going to caulk and remove old paint, and then we should be set. And there's moldings that go on here. The top, there's no molding here, but then underneath here, where these go, there is molding underneath there. One molding, so I'm going to have to either find some or make that molding or something very close to it. You can see it right here. This molding right here, and there's no molding above it. So I think it's time to put the posts up.